Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on your Amazon Echo Dot 5. This will remove it from any devices, unpair it from any devices that it's having. If it's acting up, this can fix a lot of those issues. If it's glitching, if it's not connecting, but also if you want to sell it or give it away, you can clear out everything before you do that. And it's really very easy to do. All we need to do is we are going to come in and this button right here, we're going to press and hold it. We're just going to keep pressing and holding it. And after we hold it for a while, the indicator light at the bottom will turn orange. And we're just going to keep on holding it. And then the Echo will tell you that it's in setup mode. We're just going to ignore that and keep on holding it. And it's going to take about 15 seconds. And then finally, the voice will say that it is resetting. It will take about a minute. At that point, you can let go and allow it to complete its reset process. And while you're waiting for it to complete its reset process, if you're interested in getting a new credit card, Chase is offering $200 for free just for signing up for one of their credit cards. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. And anyways, once it restarts, then you can reconnect it and repair it with whatever device you want to use it on.